So this video is going to demonstrate how to use Ohm's law to solve problems involving electricity. There is some information about this in your textbook, and you saw in the pre-quiz that there are several questions requiring you to apply this law. After this video, I suggest you do the quizzes for this section to show that you understand this. It's pretty simple here. The formula is in triangle form here. I is current, R is resistance, and V is voltage. So what we can do is use the triangle to help us solve problems. So a computer speaker operates at 4 ohms and has a current of 1 amp. What are the volts required to run the speaker? So if I go to my triangle here, voltage is equal to current times resistance. So I can go ahead and write my formula down. And then it's just a matter of plugging in my numbers from the word problem. In this case, the current is 1 amp. And the resistance is 4 ohms. So 1 times 4 is 4, and the correct unit for voltage is volts. To do other problems, as you can see in the equation up here, if you simply put your finger on the variable that you want, in this case, if I wanted to know resistance, it's equal to voltage divided by current. If I wanted to know current, it'd be voltage divided by resistance. I suggest you put the triangle in your notes, and you can access it any time to solve these kind of problems.